Yeah, if you really look again, taking advantage of the more volatile markets and more dispersion away from the really large mega cap dominance we'd seen really for a decade prior. Mid and small size active managers were able to take advantage of some alpha opportunities in 2022. But again, our data shows over longer periods, say over a 10-year period, it's still really difficult for those same mid and small cap managers to persistently outperform for more than the short periods of time. I also add, I think last year, particularly in Japan, where you had for most of the year a very weak yen on a historical basis, that also favored international focused active managers within Japan, being able to have domestic investors benefit some from the weaker yen or the stronger dollar or euro, as the case might be.
Dan, you touched on how ESG is a big thematic and talking point at this event. I'm just curious, how tightly regulated are ESG funds and indices? Because rather controversially, remember last year Tesla was kicked out of the S&P 500's ESG index, and I think Elon Musk said that ESG metrics were the devil incarnate. Are index providers still working this one out, and where do we stand?
Yeah, well, I guess first to your question, I think regulation is still very much a patchwork really around the world. We're seeing, obviously in Europe, you're seeing a very proactive kind of stance. We're clearly engaged with these regulators, I think, around the world. But the key will be getting consistent, reliable data and then building into indices and benchmarks that can really help build a standardization, if you will, across the industry, help companies, hopefully more companies willing to disclose more information around things like carbon. So it's really crucial, but it is developing. But in this digital world, it is developing quite quickly. And I said, for our job at S&P Dow Jones Indices is to remain engaged with stakeholders, including regulators around the world, to really kind of involve. What I would say, though, is our job is as an independent and transparent index provider is to make sure that our methodologies, our indices, everything is published transparently every day, so people can understand when they want to engage in a market exactly what kind of our rules are on a regular basis.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.